For 50 years, Kristofer lived by the tick of a single, faithful machine. An old black plastic alarm clock, worn at the edges, its red buttons dulled by decades of sleepy fingertips. At 3:27 a.m. sharp, every morning without fail, it buzzed with a shrill insistence that dragged Kristofer from the dream world. 3 snoozes. Always 3. 18 minutes total. Then stretch, arms out like wings, and into the shower. Brush teeth, get dressed, show up to work early, always early. His bosses came and went. His jobs changed, but the clock remained. Then came the accident. September 19th, 11:19 a.m., 5 days before his birthday. Screeching tires, shattered glass, the sharp, sudden finality of pain. The world flickered like a faulty film reel, hallways stretching into infinity, doctors with blurred faces, voices he recognized speaking words he couldn't understand, friends, family, hovering shadows. Time warped and melted. And then, beep, 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 Kristofer gasped. 3:27 a.m., just like always. His hand shot out on instinct. Snooze. Once, twice, 3 times. Only this morning felt off. The air around him, still, warm, congested. He stretched, as he always did, but instead of cool air brushing his fingertips, he felt satin, thick, suffocating satin. He tried to sit up, but his shoulders struck wood. His feet wouldn't move. Panic surged like electricity. His hand scrambled along his side, smacking the alarm clock. He pressed the light button. The dull yellow screen flickered. 3:45 a.m. The date glowed below, May 1st. A piece of paper rested neatly on his chest. Trembling, he lifted it, guided only by the faint glow of the screen. His fingers traced the words. Dear Dad, we know how much your routine meant to you. You were always so dependable. We thought you'd want this with you. Something you could always count on, even now. Love, Kylie, Cammy, and Codybug. Kristofer's breath caught in his throat. He tried to scream, but his mouth was sewn shut. He beat at the lid above him, nails splintering. No sound but the ticking of the alarm clock beside him. Still loyal, still on time, still waking the dead. And tomorrow, it will go off again.